in in joining the Bureau is such a stupid mistake. To judge 3 times a day is one thing. To be given to you for breakfast for almost 10 consecutive days is another thing. The physical pain is manageable, but the emotional and psychological torture of being considered as one of the lowest mammal is almost getting into my nerves. Indeed, patience is a virtue, as the old cliche goes. A virtue so difficult for an average individual to have, and almost impossible for a hungry, thirsty, and restless individual to attain. But it is this very virtue that is badly needed when it comes to dealing with our clientele, the inmates. Being the I said a while ago, it is almost impossible for a restless individual to have patience. But let me remind you, dear brothers and sisters, that imperfect and sinful as we are created in the image and likeness of God. That being so, we also have